We're very excited to have Dr. Gujrati as the medical director of our San Francisco office. We decided to join forces and have one of the best hair transplant surgeons in San Francisco, which is one of our demanding offices.
Hi, I'm Dr. Manu Gujrati. I've been in the Bay Area for more than a decade now. And in my training, hair transplant surgery, when I learned it more than 15 years ago, was just up and coming, and it's changed a lot over the last several decades, and it's become a lot more advanced, probably more of a change in knowledge than any other part of cosmetic surgery, and that's made it really interesting for me as a surgeon. So a hair transplant procedure is helping people to regain hair thickness and coverage in areas that has been lost. If it's thinning or if it's completely gone, either way, the point is to give somebody back coverage where more skin is being seen than you want. And in fact, the most important part of the hair transplant really is the hairline. This, we say in hair surgery, we say that the hairline gives the frame to the face. And your face is the most important part of the picture of who you are. And so if the frame of that picture isn't looking that great, it can have a big effect. And so by doing a hair transplant, we're restoring somebody's balance to their features. The face, we analyze the human face by looking for balance, the symmetry from one section to another and overall. And the hairline is one of the most important parts of that. But also the things that we can provide for our patients now, the services and the results that we can achieve are unparalleled, and actually one of the things that makes my patients the happiest.